In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in developer mode on PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach the PayPal developer dashboard and sign in safely and confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. A clean, up-to-date browser works best for developer tools, so if you haven't updated in a while, it's a good idea to do that first. Once you're on Google, click into the search bar and type PayPal, then press Enter. You're looking for the official PayPal website, which should appear at the top of the results. Before you click, double-check that the link is truly from paypal.com. Look for the secure padlock icon and the correct domain to avoid phishing pages. When you're sure you've got the right result, click through to open the official PayPal site. On the PayPal homepage, scroll all the way down to the footer. There you'll find a link labeled Developers or Developer. This is your gateway into PayPal's developer resources. Go ahead and click that link. For context, the developer area is where you can access the dashboard, create and manage apps, generate sandbox credentials, and test integrations. If you prefer, you can also go directly to the developer dashboard by typing the developer portal address into your browser, but using the homepage link keeps you on a familiar path and helps confirm you're in the right place. Once the developer site loads, you'll see an option to log in. Click Sign In and enter your PayPal account details. Use the same account you typically use with PayPal. For security, PayPal may prompt you for two-factor authentication, such as a code sent to your device. Complete that step if it appears. After you sign in, you'll land on the PayPal developer dashboard. Here, you'll notice areas like My Apps and Credentials and a toggle between Sandbox and Live. Sandbox is where you safely test without moving real money. Live is for production once everything is ready. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, try the navigation menu or search within the dashboard. A quick tip: if you encounter a login loop or a page that doesn't load properly, refresh the page, try a different browser tab, or clear recent cookies for PayPal domains. Also, make sure pop-up blockers aren't interfering with the sign-in flow. That's it. You opened Google, searched for PayPal, clicked the official site, found the developer section, and signed into the developer dashboard. You're now ready to explore sandbox accounts, create apps, and manage credentials as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy building.